this is Marjorie Wildcraft, and on this edition of Homesteading Basics, I'm going to show you a simple technique for protecting your container plants from fire ants and other insects. So this is one of my favorite container planting systems, and what's so cool about it is it has a worm bin right down the center here where you put compost in and you grow worms. And then the worms crawl in and around, do their poop, they continue to aerate the soil and fertilize the soil. It's just a really great system. I live in Central Texas and we have a thing called fire ants. And fire ants love to eat worms. You cannot have a worm bin sitting out in the open without it getting completely eaten up by fire ants. So a very simple solution to that, and this is also applicable to other types of ants or climbing insects that if you want to keep them off of your container plants, is I built a moat that I actually put the container plant in. Actually, I put the container in and just a little layer of water around. The ants are not going to cross that water, and it protects my planter, and it also protects the worms that are inside. This was really simple to build. I just took some cinder blocks and laid them out in the shape of this bed here, and then I took a tarp and laid that out, and that's actually the liner, and then I filled it up with a little bit of water, and so I've just got a little layer of water down in the bottom and these containers sitting in it, and no fire ants. It works. This is Marjorie Wildcraft. I'll see you on another edition of Homesteading Basics.
The Grow Network is a movement of people who are stopping the destruction of the earth via homegrown food. Learn to grow food in your backyard at www.growhalf.com.